Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with Beago AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at Beago.ai, and if you go to the left hand corner at the bottom, you will find your user settings. If you click on that, that's going to take you to your account page. However, if you look around, you are not going to find any options here related to deleting your account. I did some digging on this and it doesn't appear that that option shows up anywhere here. And in terms of contacting Beago in order to delete your account, it appears that you have two options. One is to select help and feedback. And when you do, then you're going to get this pop-up here, and here you can request to delete your account. And then when you finish putting in your comments, you can click continue here. Otherwise, your other option is going to be contacting Beago on Discord, and in order to do that, you can see here on the left hand side there is a Discord icon. We can click that, and when we do, that is going to bring us to our Discord page where you can join Beago and you can reach out to them through Discord. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.